We'll be happy to have you on our staff. You're the most qualified applicant.
Okay, great. Sure, I can be there at 7 o'clock.
See you tonight. You're definitely the hottest of all the applicants too. Why does I get one hot girl I want to train for every 20 ugly ones I wouldn't even want near my garbage?
Mr. Engstrom?
My friends call me Carlos. You can too.
Okay, Carlos.
Your picture does you justice. You're just as cute in person. I think you'll be really successful here.
Oh, I was wondering about the uniform.
Here it is. It should be just the right size. I'm good on sizes. Whoa, 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 not so fast. Do you have the $95?
Well, if I had $95, I wouldn't need the job.
That's okay. I just won't pay you for the first week.
Can you do that?
Well, we're a team around here, and I know what I can do. Oh, and here's your schedule. Now, don't be late. We have mandatory meetings on Saturdays at 9 a.m.
Every Saturday?
I thought you wanted to be part of the team.
Well, I mean, I do need the job.
Well, that's why it's easier if you just go along with the program.
Well, I get my hourly rate though, right?
Huh, why would I pay you when you're not working? Come on, I bring in the donuts for everyone.
Well, I guess I need the job if that's the way that it is.
You'll get used to the way we do things at Charlie's Chicken Hut.
So I start here on Thursday, it looks like?
You know what? Why don't you come in around 3 so I can give you a little orientation, okay?
That's how it is.
Don't be late.
Hey Nikki, how's the new job look?
It looks okay, but the boss is kind of a creeper.
What did he do?
Well, he kept telling me it was cute. He guessed the size of my shirt. He stroked my hand. He told me to call him Carlos. It was the way he stared at me, and he told me that I had to go along with the program if I wanted to work there. He told me that I have to come in for unpaid training on Saturdays, and I have to pay for my uniform before he'll start paying me.
You know, Nikki, there are lots of ways employers sometimes take advantage of employees. There are quite a few laws and regulations at the federal and state level that cover how employees are treated. Whether a specific law or regulation covers an employee will sometimes be determined by the size of the business. There are some things you should look into, Nikki. First, there are rules on how much employers can deduct for uniforms, but the deduction can't put the employee's wages under the minimum wage. In addition, if the training is mandatory, you need to be paid while you're at the training. As for Carlos being a creeper, sexual harassment is a huge problem for young women like yourself. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits sexual harassment. Sexual harassment can take many forms. It might be a blatant request for sex, or just a situation that is creating a hostile or offensive work environment. There is some good information at the website and some links to government agencies that provide assistance to employees. At the federal government, you have the Department of Labor, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, and all the states have a department that investigates and enforces state labor laws. Carlos and the Chicken Hut sound a little sketchy. Have you thought about checking the want ads again?